gentlemen, and as always, thank you for watching. Today I've been called by a customer that has a loaded trailer that turned the corner too sharp. Trailer is down in a ditch, and the tractor has one set of tires up off the ground, leaning pretty hard. The initial assessment will probably have to lift the trailer up out of the ditch and get it leveled back out, set the trailer back on the road, but we'll determine exactly what to do when we get on site. We'll see you there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here. Let's see what we need to do. Oh boy. You dialed it down, I guess, to...
yeah, to get off the tires.
Okay.
Because I'm so on the tires, so
right.
Took some strain off.
Right. There ain't much back here, is there, bub?
No. No fish.
No, because he's off the ground on this side.
Yeah, it's too bad over here.
There ain't much to lift off of here. Hey, Talon. Where?
The subframe
Yeah.
and slide.
Well, I thought either that or we could do a tail wrap and a slide.
I mean, he ain't gotta go but a few feet.
Yeah, I know.
I don't ride dirt bikes. I don't like to ride.
We can get one of our straps and do a tail wrap here, because there's nothing here to grab a hold of, not safely. We'll go in between the tires or grab a hold of one of the tires there, strap to it, and go around the back.
How bad's this truck over there? With all the rain we got lately.
Yeah,
Feel dry? Oh,
truck ain't bad. If
no,
we get
he's
the trailer
okay.
over- if we get the trailer over straight with us, he can back out even.
yeah.
I need to come back some more. Come back over here.
Yep.
Come on. Let's try sliding it first. All right, well then let's take this one and go down.
Down here?
Let's go down low. Let's not lift it any. Do what?
You're down all the way on this side, ain't you?
No, I can go more.
I don't know.
Hold on. Now we're down. All right. Good enough. Should be. That's all right. Go ahead.
Are all the brakes set?
Yeah, I got the landing gear down. Want me to roll it up?
No, sir.
No.
I want to leave it just like that. We're going to try this and see if it'll skip it across.
Gotcha.
If not, we'll have to tail wrap it and give it a little bit of a lift.
You want the brakes released?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I want them just. I want everything just like they are.
What'd you attach that to?
Subframe. The subframe on the tires and wheels. There we go. Now we're all set. Oh. Hold on, Talon. Nope. We're gonna have to get a different location on the pull. Yeah, it'll work. We're just gonna have to get a stronger spot. Do what?
Up there, dude.
Yeah, stereo up in there and everything.
Here, I got it. Do what? Well, we're gonna have to probably. Can you grab the end of the wheel itself? Do what? It should be on preschool.
I got some dry graphite. Spray.
Do you? Where at? Ah. I've got gear oil, I got there you go. Yeah, anything to help.
Yeah. We need something more slick. You got something else in the truck to help us slick this up? Get that other chain of ours, let's go to both tires.
Okay.
Ah. There we go. That's what I wanted. She's safe.
That was cool.
Sometimes you work smarter, not harder.
That's right.
Well, normally I would have lifted it, but there's nothing back here,
Yeah, that's one thing bad about these trailers.
nothing good enough to grab a hold of. We could have done it, putting a spreader bar and going over to the tires and lifting it up that way, but that takes a lot of work for something that we can do like right here in 10-15 minutes with a little bit of lube and the right hookup.
How much do one of these damn things cost to quit?
Three quarter. Yep.
But you guys got to go out on the road when they're all flipped over.
Oh yeah.
Be out there working all night and shit.
In the rain, the snow, whatever.
What's this truck weigh?
Between 72 and 73,000 total, fully loaded with fuel and everything.
This is a newer truck too, isn't it?
It's 2015.
This is kind of state of the art, which I don't
Right now.
see these things too often, thank God.
Right now it's dirty. We had so much rain and stuff. It was due to be washed today because it was actually sunshine, but
Where does that take you that way?
that takes you straight out to Z. Yep.
Yeah. And it brought you this way instead, huh? Yeah. Wow. Yeah, you can tell on the map. Yeah, when you leave, hey, when you leave, that's the way I would go. I would go. Yeah, that's a straight shot off to the road. That's all. Side curves.
Oh yeah, it tells everything. Well, all right, now I'll roll forward and we'll make sure that you can either move forward or backwards, whichever way you need to move. And if you need a little tug back, we can do that before we get out of here.
Yeah, I'll move. Yeah.
Might want to raise your landing gear first though.
Oh, yeah.
He should be able to back up pretty good ways here if he wants. I'm not sure. Not sure. Locks the power divider in though, he should be all right. There you go. No problem. Good deal. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there she goes. Back on the road. All safe and sound. As always, thank you for watching, and God bless.